which sound waves pass through solids, liquids, and gases has to do with how their particles are arranged. Particles in solids are packed closely together. Particles in gases are far apart. Liquids are in between. For this reason, sound travels through gases more slowly than it travels through liquids and solids.
In this experiment, we will demonstrate how sound travels through solids, liquids, and gas. I will go behind the door and Miss Elizabeth will knock while I hold the 3 different states of matter. I heard it perfectly. It was hard to hear. It was somewhere in between.